Follow me through this Bijou move-in ready home located right here in our Belterra neighborhood that's just steps away from the beautiful community park. Let's go take a look. As you step through this beautiful front door, you'll notice these wood plank tile floors that you'll find throughout the common areas of the home. And check out this open concept living space that combines this gourmet kitchen with a great room and a dining space. Plus, this home features this beautiful 12-foot sliding glass door that allows for tons of natural light. This beautiful kitchen features granite countertops, dark Java cabinets, a smart oven, a beautiful tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop, and a walk-in pantry. As you walk past the formal dining area, you also have a bedroom with a full attached bathroom. Now follow me into the master suite. This spacious master bedroom has tons of windows to allow for natural light into your living space. And you're just steps away from this beautiful master bathroom that features these beautiful quartz countertops, dark Java cabinets, a tiled-in tub, this large step-in shower, and the best room of all, this massive walk-in closet. This beautiful Bijou move-in ready home is available now in our Belterra neighborhood. Visit our Belterra sales office for more information.